Gazing at the night sky, have you ever pondered the vast expanse that stretches beyond the glittering stars and the soft glow of the moon? Our journey into this universe begins under a starlit canvas, driven by a burning curiosity to uncover the unknown. This expansive space filled with galaxies, stars, and planets has captivated humans for centuries, presenting a realm of immense beauty and continuous wonder. Questions like, what lies beyond our Earth and how infinite is the cosmos, fuel our imaginations. As we embark on this adventure, it's not only about witnessing the celestial wonders, but also understanding our significance among them. We are on the brink of exploring the planets within our solar system, the dazzling stars that guide our path, and the fundamentals of space travel. More crucially, each inquiry we make propels us closer to unraveling the universe's enigmas. Our quest for knowledge is beginning, with vast territories to explore and understand. So, as we take this first step together into the vast beyond, remember to keep looking up, fueled by curiosity. For every planet has a tale, and every star a secret, weaving the narrative of our cosmic voyage through this exceptional universe. After setting our sights on the celestial sphere, brimming with curiosity, we're primed to delve deeper into the mysteries of those shimmering lights that sparked our imagination. Moving past Earth's comforting blues and greens, we embark on a captivating journey through our solar system, where each planet narrates a distinct tale, from Mercury's scorching embrace to the icy elegance of Saturn's rings. These stories illustrate the diversity and splendor residing in our cosmic vicinity. Our gaze extends beyond the planets to stars that flicker in the void, not merely as isolated points of light, but as integral parts of vast constellations that have guided explorers and inspired tales through the ages. These constellations tell of heroes, mythical beasts, and ancient deities, linking us to the epics of bygone civilizations. As we progress, the endless prospects of space exploration unfold before us, heralded by the astronauts who dared to venture into the unknown. Each discovery pushes us further, illuminating the universe as a domain of perpetual learning and amazement. Picture the exhilaration of launching into space, escaping the clutch of gravity to mingle with the stars. Our celestial journey commences with the essentials of space travel, epitomized by the courage and dreams that have propelled humanity beyond Earth. Icons like Neil Armstrong and Mae Jemison, who transcended earthly boundaries, symbolize the spirit of exploration that inspires countless future adventurers. Their stories affirm that the cosmos is within reach, encouraging a new era of explorers. Looking forward, the prospects of space exploration glimmer with potential, from missions to Mars to the exploration of distant asteroids. The mysteries of the universe beckon to those daring enough to pursue them, possibly even you. With curiosity as your compass and unwavering determination, the path to joining these astronomical pioneers is open. Remember, the journey to the stars begins with a single launch, inviting you into a realm replete with undiscovered wonders. Your cosmic voyage awaits.